This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open Honda Civic bonnet, updated. Pull the interior hood release lever under the driver's dash and then go to the front of the car. Feel under the center edge of the hood for the secondary safety latch and push or slide it to release. Lift the hood carefully and secure it with the prop rod or ensure the gas struts hold it steady before working. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and looking under the dash for the hood release lever marked with a hood symbol. Pull that lever firmly and then walk to the front of the car to locate the secondary latch under the hood center. If the hood resists, ask a helper to pull the lever while you work the latch to avoid strain. Always secure the hood with the prop rod or confirm the struts hold it. Thanks for sticking with me so far, and if you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite I have beside me is perfect for reading while waiting for repairs, and it's surprisingly light to carry around in the glove box. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more tips, tap that bell. Now let's get back to the video. Before opening the bonnet, park on level ground, turn the engine off, and set the parking brake for safety. Allow the engine to cool if it's hot and wear gloves to protect your hands from grease and sharp edges. When the hood is open, use the prop rod if the struts feel weak or unreliable, and never leave the hood unsupported while working under it to prevent accidents or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.